Hello student, welcome to third lecture of fourth chapter networking basic. The learning outcome of today's video. First we see the Java networking classes and interface. Then next we see inet address class. Then we see the factory methods, and at last we see the instance methods. So these are the learning outcome of today's video. So let me start with Java networking classes and interface. Java support the TCP/IP both by extending the already established stream IO interface and by adding the features required to build input-output object across the network. So remember one thing, uh, when we discuss about the networking in Java, we use the java.net package. Java.net package, and in java.net package it supports the TCP and IP both by extending the stream IO interface. Okay, Java support both TCP and UDP protocol families. So we in last lecture we already see the TCP, what is TCP and what is UDP. TCP is used for reliable stream-based input-output across the network, and UDP support a similar, hence faster point-to-point datagram-oriented model. So these are the Java networking classes. Then the classes contained in the java.net package are shown in the following table. So first, this is the list of classes which are present in java.net package. Okay, so from this class we use some of the class in our programming, like URL, then socket address, inet address. These classes are mainly used for the Java networking, and every class having its own methods and use. So in this chapter we study some of the classes from this table. Then the java.net package contain some interface, and that are shown in following table. So these are the some interface which are present in the java.net package. Okay, so this is about the Java networking classes and interface. Next is inet address class. The inet address class is used to encapsulate both the numerical IP address and the domain name for the address. So it is very important class about the networking, which encapsulate means which collect the numerical IP address and domain name for the address. So remember student, every website or every web page have one IP address and domain name. Just we enter the www.google.com. So the google.com is the name of the address, and which have some specific numerical IP address. Next, the you interact with these classes by using the name of an IP host, which is more convenient and understandable than its IP address. Okay, so just like we cannot remember the particular numbers, like if the IP address of Google is 42.68.92.303, something like this, so we cannot remember this number. So simple way to remember is www.google.com. So it is very more convenient and understandable. The inet address class hides the numerical inside. Okay. Next, the inet address can handle both IPv4 and IPv6 addresses. So this is about inet address class. The next topic is factory methods. So inet address class have factory methods. The inet address class has no visible constructor. Oh, so this is very important. Every class have its own constructor, but inet address class not have any visible constructor. To create an inet address object, you have to use one of the available factory methods. So this is the use of factory methods. Uh, the inet address not have any constructor. So instead of constructor, we use the factory method to create the object of inet address class. So this is very important point. We use factory methods to create object of inet address class. Why? Because inet address class not have any visible constructor. So factory methods are merely a convention whereby static method in the class return an instance of that class. Okay. So the use of factory method is it is the static methods. First point is static factory methods are static methods and which return the instance of that class. This is done in live of overloading a constructor with various parameter list. When having unique method name make the result much clear. So there are some factory methods. There are three factory methods. Three commonly used inet address factory methods are shown here. Okay, so first method is get localhost. So return type of this method is which return the object of inet address class. And this method is static. This method simply return the inet address object that represent the localhost. Next method is get by name, which have one parameter string host name. This method also return the inet address object of inet address. This method return an inet address for a host name passed to it. And last method is get all by name. This method also have same parameter which also return the object of inet address that represent all of the addresses that particular name resolves to. So these three are the factory methods. All these three methods return the inet address of object of inet address class. So factory methods are included in inet address class and used to create the object of inet address class. Next, instance method. The inet address class have several other methods which can be used on the objects returned by the method just discussed. Okay, so following table define some other methods of inet address class. Here are some of the more commonly used methods. First method is boolean equals. Okay, this method return true if this object have the same internet address as other. Okay. Next method is get address, which return the array of byte, which return array that represent the object's IP address in network by byte order. Next method guessed host address, which return the string that represent the host address associated with the inet address object. Next method guessed host name. This method also returns string value that represent the host name associated with the inet address object. Next method is multicast address, which return boolean value either true or false. This method returns true if this address is multicast address, otherwise it returns false. Last method toString. This method also return string value. This method return the string that lists the host name and IP address for the convenience. So these are some another method, that is instance method in inet address class. Thank you.